code mode.
It's a pretty good circle.
Yeah. It's dark.
Getting it into it.
You can tell that catch point, like it wants to catch straight out, and you have to like balance it right above that.
It is like holding power back, but I was holding it to the floor, but then you hear it wind up.
Yeah.
That was the pedal the same. That's a car doing that.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So it's like, is it going to give me all the power? Is it going to cut it back? It's just enough to cut back to keep doing it. It's hard to control. I think if you put it in two-wheel drive dyno mode, it'd probably let you do it no problem.
Probably.